Assalamu alaikum. Do you want to represent your team members like this? Or even you can represent different types of products like this. Not only these, if you want to represent any kinds or types or categories, then make your slide like this instead of making boring slides. So let's learn how can you represent this type of widget in PowerPoint presentation. So without wasting the time, just go to the insert, go take a new slide and just take a slide blank. So what to do next? Insert pictures, this device and insert the pictures of all your team members. Like this, 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 as these all are my team members. You can insert all your pictures. Just set your first picture like that. If I want my first picture here and then adjust its size. After that, right click and here is the option of grid and guides. Go with grid and guides. No, like that. Grid and guides. And here is the option add vertical guides. Okay. You can see this is a vertical guide. Adjust it on the border. Similarly, adjust it on that and adjust it on that point. It will help you to place another pictures. Not only these, again go with grid and line and add one more vertical guide and place it here. We can say we make a widgets in surrounding of my image. Then set your remaining images. I will set my images like that. You can set it according to your own choice. But make it like a widget somehow like that. Even that you can crop your image. If I want to crop it, then simply go with crop and I want to crop this area of image, so crop it. You can see it will look like that. After arranging all my images like that, go to again, right click, grid and guides and off the guides. So screen will look like simple. Then I have to add here logo. So again go to insert, go to picture, this device and add a logo of your company or anything you want to represent as a logo. This one is my logo. I want to represent my team members here. So just resize it and set it in a corner of your slide so that it's look good. After that, I go to insert. Here is the option text box. I just enter a text box and enter here a text. You can see I simply enter the text my first team member and her qualities. What to do next? On the next slide, you just move the images like that. First of all, duplicate the slide. I just duplicate slide here. And after duplicating it, what to do next? Put it on that side. Okay. And this one is here. And obviously reduce the size like previous image here. And the picture which is on the rightmost corner, put it on the center. I put here and then adjust your remaining images. Just move one step forward and you can see this and now this. Now I hereby change the name of my next member and her qualities. Similar to that, make your third slide and on the same formula, just what I do, Just put it on the side, middle one on the leftmost corner and the rightmost corner in the center, and then shuffle these and just move one step. Okay, and this one is your third slide. Last but not least, just go to the transitions, and here is a transition morph. Apply the morph and you can increase the duration of the morph from here. This is the final look. For the more tutorial, must visit my channel. I already uploaded many of the lectures on the PowerPoint presentations, which make your presentations more eye-catchy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.